Hello everyone, so I have my guest back with me. I thought it would be fun to have her help me unbox some boxes. This is my Ricky's Colt Crush box for the month. It has just taken me a little while to get to it just because life has gotten in the way. We were sick for a couple of days, but we're feeling better, so we decided to unbox some stuff. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz, and this is Clara.
Hi.
Do you have a little bit of messy face?
Yes.
A little bit of messy face that we forgot to clean up, huh? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos.
Subscribe to Mom.
And if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Colt Crushes box, then just keep watching. If you don't know what Ricky's Colt Crushes is, it's a monthly beauty subscription box. It is $14 a month, and they send you a range of makeup, skincare, all sorts of other stuff in the beauty general realm. Okay, should we open it?
Yeah.
Want to see what's inside?
Yes. It's toys.
It's not toys. I'm sorry. So there is this month's box. Do you want to hold on to that? Okay, so I'm just going to grab the first couple things. Actually, there are several of these things that I see. This is a Divine Collection foil tissue patches for the eyes. So they look like eye masks. They're gold, so that's pretty cool. And you just put them underneath your eyes. Provides hydration and firmness. Foil technology enhances the effects of the serum. So that's pretty cool. And then there's an Avatara shape up face mask. It restores elasticity so skin can look and feel its best with this exclusive cocktail of energizing ingredients. Since it's for delicate skin, it's paraben-free, silicone-free, and mineral oil-free. And I'm assuming since there's oranges all over it, it probably smells like oranges. And then there's another Avatara Even Out face masks. Get the skinny on the smaller pores. It tightens, retexturizes, and revitalizes the look of uneven skin with this exclusive cocktail of pore minimizers. It's for uneven skin, which is nice because I'm having a little bit of uneven skin lately, and I think that this would work really good. The one thing that is a little bit annoying with Ricky's Colt Crushes is that it doesn't tell you how much everything costs. Alright, the next thing I got, these are the Hairfinity Advanced Hair Care. They're healthy hair vitamins. There's 14 capsules in here. So I don't know if that's enough to really know if something's working for you or not. And you're supposed to take 2 capsules a day, so it's like a week's worth of vitamins. Like I said, I don't think that that's really enough to tell whether it's working or not. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm not one to just try stuff that I have to eat, basically. I don't know. We'll see if I use this. Honestly, I probably won't, or I'll have to do more research on the brand and then see. Should we see what else we got? This is a SUVA Beauty. It's a pressed shadow. So it looks like it's just a single shadow pan, and this thing is huge. It's pretty big. It is 0.14 ounces. It's 4 grams. This is in the shade Empire State. This shade does look really, really pretty. Ooh, it's pretty soft too, which is nice. And that shade is actually really, really pretty. We're feeling a little temper tantrumy today, aren't you? Is being 3 hard? Anyways, I think that this would almost be a pretty good highlight shade too. So I'm actually really excited for this. I can just throw it in one of my Z palettes and be good to go. The next thing I'm seeing is this GuLsha. Probably saying that wrong. This is an Ultimate Rosewater. It's a toner for pure, radiant skin. It's paraben-free, alcohol-free, glycol-free, gluten-free, colorants-free, and perfume-free. It's for all skin types. So basically it just says this one's produced drop by the distillation of fresh rose petals. It protects, soothes, and tones your skin. Plus it's the perfect on-the-go pick-me-up for those hot summer days. It doesn't say how to use it on the bottle or on the card that it comes with, so I'll have to do some more research just to see exactly how to use that. I'm assuming just a toner, take it on a cotton pad, rub it all over your face. I feel like this is a pretty good sample too. It is 20 milliliters. I actually feel like this is probably full size. So, and the last thing that I'm seeing is this Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. So it's an acne treatment, and the brand Murad I've heard people really like. So basically it's just this, it's a gel cleanser that combats acne by washing away pore clogging, grime, oils, and irritants. So I'm actually pretty excited to try this too, and I want to say this is full size as well. So I'll have that for sure somewhere on the screen or in the description box below. It's 1.5 fluid ounces, so I'm assuming that it's full size, so not too bad either. So all in all, I feel like this month was pretty skincare heavy. You basically all got skincare except for the eyeshadow, which isn't bad. I'm typically more of like a makeup person. I'd rather get makeup in my boxes, but actually I've been eating some good skincare items, so I'm excited to try these out. Do a little spa night for myself and do some MACs. You're crazy.
No, Mommy, I'm not scary.
No, I said you're crazy.
No, I'm not crazy.
Do a little skincare night for myself. And that is it for this video. What did you guys think of this month's Ricky's Cult Crushes? I actually think that this box was a lot better than last month, so I will stay subscribed. I just want to keep seeing what's coming. Again, last month's box didn't impress me at all, but this month's box isn't bad in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more of this little stinker in any more of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Ah, you need lip gloss. I don't want lip gloss.
Like this.